All right, friends. Today we're going to make some old-fashioned cough medicine. Let's get to it. Right here we got a red onion, and we're just going to slice it up. Of course, it would help if I'm in the frame here for you, but you all know how to cut an onion. Get some of this outer paper off. Slice it up. Separate them out. Maybe cut the rings in half. All right, next, we're gonna take some ginger root here, and just slice a bunch of that as well. And let's see, cut this. Oops. And we'll cut some of that in half as well. I need to sharpen this knife. That should be enough ginger. And we're going to take some garlic cloves. These have already been peeled for me. And I'm going to mix that together. And you're going to grab a mason jar and put this stuff in. Maybe I'll have a few of these garlic cloves here. We'll crush them a little bit. Get the juices flowing. There, that's all right. We got a little bit of onion left over. Maybe we'll put that on a sandwich. Now the next step here, take some honey, and you're gonna squeeze that over top all this stuff and let it sit on your counter. Oh yeah. All right. Man, it's coming out. That cap was a bit loose. Who did that? Oh. So, when you do this at home, don't make a mess. All right. So that honey, along with our veggies here, is going to make a juice. And that is your cough syrup. So we'll let this sit for a while, let that settle in there. Then we'll have a cup of this and get rid of that nasty cough that's been plaguing me for the past month. All right, this has been sitting for several hours, and we got a nice liquid in there. That is our cough syrup. So we're gonna open up this jar, pour it in a medicine cup, Bottoms up. Onion, garlic, ginger, and honey. Tastes good, and it'll clear you up.